Another look at our oldest soil here at Fat Ninja Food Forest. This is we dug this swale above this hugel mound, or the hugel culture, 12 to 13 years ago. So the soil's potentially that old. I dug down real deep in there, a foot or two, a foot, reaching as far as I could. It's real loose soil. And this is that soil. We just see great structure in it. I'm a novice at this, but we see all the yellows or the ambers are going to be fulvic acid, I believe, and the darker amber one, darker brown ones, tan ones that are see-through will be humic acid. And then the darker stuff like that, that's real dark, is going to be organic matter. So the see-through ones are going to be minerals. We zoom in even more. We'll see lots of movement, lots of bacterial life, some flagellates. I do believe I've seen a ciliate zooming across the screen. But just right full of life. I'll back off once. We'll zoom. Oop, a little too far. What have I got in there right now? We're at this is going to be 100. 100 magnification. Zoom a little by hand, a little digitally. Just have a little look around. Found a couple of nematodes in here. I don't know if I'm going to find them on film. Should have stopped where I was. But if you're watching this and you know what we're looking at, I say the same thing over and over, but you understand it better, please feel free to comment. Pretty proud of this. I'd love to know more about what we're looking at. So, like I said, it's 13-year-old cultural soil. Change. Good night on holiday. Peace.